Hello friends. Okay, so in the previous video we discussed about the determination of the inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix. In this video we are going to do the same for a 3 cross 3 matrix. So here we have been given a 3 cross 3 matrix and we have to determine its inverse. So let us write the formula. The inverse of a matrix is given by 1 by determinant of the matrix into adjoint of that matrix. Okay, so the first step, as I told you in the previous video, is to determine the determinant of the matrix. Check whether this matrix is singular or not. That is, whether the determinant is coming 0 or not. Okay, so let us first determine the determinant. So we know how to determine the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. I have posted videos related to that, so you please check out that video. So let us determine the determinant. So it is into minus 12 minus 12 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 6 plus 3 into minus 4 plus 6. Okay, so the determinant is minus 24 plus 10 plus 6. Okay, so it is minus 8. The determinant is minus 8, which is, of course, it is not equal to 0. So it is a non-singular matrix, and as determinant is not equal to 0, this matrix is invertible. Okay, so now let us start the process of determination of the adjoint. Let us write this value in the side. Okay, determinant of A is equal to minus 8. Now, so adjoint, as I have discussed in the basic concept of inverse in that video, and also in the adjoint related videos, the adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Okay, that is, the cofactor matrix is the matrix consisting of the cofactors of the respective elements of this matrix. Okay, and how to determine the cofactor? The cofactor of an element which is present at the intersection of the ith row and jth column is given by minus 1 to the power I plus j into the minor of that element. Okay, so I have already posted many videos related to minors, cofactors and adjoints. So I hope you have seen those videos, and if you have not seen them, please check out those videos first if you are not clear about minors, cofactors and adjoint, and if you know how to determine minors, cofactors and adjoint, then we can straight away proceed. But if you don't know about minors, cofactors and adjoint, those concepts, I recommend you to please check out those videos first and then watch this video in order to have a good understanding about this. Okay, so I have already calculated the adjoint of this matrix. Okay, so I will not go step by step into determining first the minors, then the cofactors and the adjoint. So the adjoint matrix I have already calculated. It is given by adjoint of A is equal to minus 24 minus 8 minus 12, 10 to 6, 2 to 2. Okay, this is the adjoint. Now the inverse is actually, this adjoint has to be multiplied with the reciprocal of the determinant. Okay, the reciprocal of the determinant. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of this matrix, which is equal to minus 8 multiplied with this. So it will become minus 24 by minus 8. This constant will get multiplied with each and every element of this matrix. That is the property of matrix. When a scalar quantity, a constant quantity, is multiplied with a matrix, it gets multiplied with each and every element of the matrix. So it will be minus 24 by minus 8, which is 3, minus 8 by minus 8, which is 1, minus 12 by minus 8, which is, if we cancel it by 4, it will be 3 by 2. 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 2, 8, yes. Then 10 by minus 8, if we cancel it by 2, it will become minus 5 by 4. Okay. Then 2 by minus 8, which is straight away minus 1 by 4. Next 6 by minus 8, if we cancel it by 2, it will become minus 3 by 4. Okay, it's 3 by 4. Again 2 by minus 8, which is minus 1 by 4. Then 2 by minus 8, which is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4. 2 by minus 1. So this is the inverse of this matrix. Okay, so I did not calculate the adjoint matrix because I have already posted a lot of videos related to, separate videos actually, related to minors, cofactors and adjoint, and have given sufficient examples in those videos on how to calculate the minor, the cofactor and the adjoint of a matrix. So that's why I did not calculate this adjoint. So I hope you watch those videos. Okay, I would recommend you to watch those videos and then come to this video. Okay, so this is how the inverse of a 3x3 matrix is calculated. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.